Welcome to TravelScout channel. For today's video, we are going to take you to Idalgashinna, Sri Lanka, a complete travel guide for you to decide if this will be included on your bucket list. But before we start, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here on the TravelScout channel. Idalgashinna is a hamlet in the Buddhist district, Uva province, Sri Lanka. The Idalgashinna estate is located in this region, and Haputale is the closest significant town, located approximately 9 kilometers south on the railway. Despite short periods of occupancy earlier, Idalgashinna was first developed as a sea estate in 1984. The Idalgashinna Pass is an outstanding natural feature in the region. The Portuguese aimed to make use of the pass in their campaigns against the Kingdom of Kandy in the 16th century, since it was thought to be a crucial gateway to the highland regions. Now let us start to check out all Idalgashinna essential experiences lists. Waterfalls, cave, and valley cycling tour. On this cycling tour, you'll get to see 3 charming nature destinations, such as Ravana Waterfall, Ravana Cave, and Ella Gap. Warm up and get onto your mountain bike, as the journey starts with a half-hour ride to Ravana Falls. Here you'll have a chance to appreciate the 82-foot-tall waterfalls descending from a concave rock. Then you will go to a 15-minute ride to Ravana Cave, which sits 4.5 feet above sea level. You need to climb 700 steps to get to the cave connected to numerous tunnels. Afterward, you'll cycle to Ella Gap, a valley where you can admire the charming views of the region's landscapes and lush flora. Take time to appreciate the sight and make sure to take breathtaking photos as your souvenirs. Devil's Staircase Mountain Biking Tour. This one is a challenging bike route, as how it was called. Though it sounds tiring, the trail is exhilarating and beautiful, and will lead you through misty mountains, the dense pine forests of the Horton Plains, and along the edge of Bambarakonda Falls, the highest waterfall in the country. Riding a state-of-the-art mountain bike, you'll traverse hairpin bends and sections downhill, where you can push your speed to the maximum if you are a pro and feel brave. Lipton Tea Tour from Ella. Familiar with Lipton tea? Well, here you'll get the chance to visit the land of origin of Lipton tea. You can explore the tea plantations around and get to reach Lipton's seat, named after the famous Scottish tea baron, Sir Thomas Lipton. Discover how this place's tea empire prospered in the 19th century, British colonization era. You will also catch sight of how is the tea leaf making process from crop to final product. Gain also a better understanding of varieties of tea, including the famous Ceylon tea, and have sample tea to help you decide what tea will suit your taste before buying them at the little tea shop in the place. Hike to Little Adams Peak. This tour will take a 2-hour round-trip hike up to Little Adams Peak and a 2-hour hike past the 9 Arches Bridge. As you make your way up the peak, you'll come across the flora, fauna, and tea plantation. You'll also trek through to the 9 Arches Bridge and visit the colonial-era Demodora railway station. Ella Sightseeing. From Idalgashinna, you can travel to Ella, a small laid-back town surrounded by the beautiful greens of tea. Here you'll get to see the famous 9-Arch Bridge and watch the train crossing over, and hike up to the famous Ella Rock, where your guide will take you to a hidden viewpoint. Idalgashinna Mountain. Idalgashinna Mountain is a popular hiking area and is home to one of the most spectacular treks in Sri Lanka. The railway track extending from the Idalgashinna station to the Ohio station. Hiking Idalgashinna is quite a challenge, but reaching the top gives amazing views of several mountains, including Kalapahana, Wangadigala, Balathuduwa, Gomalia, and Bombarakonda waterfall. It offers so many activities such as mountaineering, camping, sunrise and sunset, which are some of the most sought-after mountaineers. Idalgashinna Railway Station is often considered the most picturesque railway station in Sri Lanka. It was from the colonial era that was built in 1983 when the railway track was extended from Nanu Oya to Haputale. The station is also well known for having 14 tunnels between Ohaya and Idalgashinna, holding the record for the highest number of tunnels between two railway stations in Sri Lanka. The railway station is located on a hill that divides Sri Lanka's southern and eastern regions. As a result, the environment are both perpetually foggy and immediately clear. Rainwater from the Idalgashinna railway station accumulates in front of the roof to the Mahaweli River Valley and falls to the Wallawi River Valley, depending on the position. Idalgashinna Station is a small station wherein there is only one platform for the whole station, and as soon as you get off the train, all you can see are endless green hills with a few scattered buildings which peek through the greenery. Watching the sunrise is perfect here because the station is enveloped in a thick cloud of mist. But still, it is magical watching the mist roll in and cover everything in a blanket of white. Thangamali Bird Sanctuary. Thangamali is a forested area on the highland near Adisham Hall. This sanctuary is home to a plethora of birds, butterflies, and other fauna. The wildlife aside, Thangamali also offers a stunning glimpse of the lush green hills and tea estates. Visitors can wander the jungle by a 4.3-kilometer long and leisurely walk along a ridge from the Adisham Hall to the Idalgashinna railway station, or vice versa. The bird life at the sanctuary comprises both common and endemic species. It includes the yellow-eared bulbul, Sri Lanka white-eye, and Sri Lankan jungle fowl. A variety of animals can also be spotted here, such as porcupines, deer, and monkeys. So what do you think of our video? Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here on TravelScout channel. Thank you for watching.